Internal injuries from motorcycle crashes. Motorcycle crashes are often synonymous with severe internal injuries, posing grave risks to riders and passengers alike. Unlike drivers in enclosed vehicles, motorcyclists lack protective measures such as airbags and seatbelts, leaving them exceptionally vulnerable to life-altering harm in the event of an accident. Let's delve deeper into the various internal injuries that can occur in motorcycle crashes and the critical importance of seeking prompt medical attention. If you sustained injuries in an accident in Colorado, contact the personal injury lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys today to schedule your free consultation. Our experienced legal team are knowledgeable and zealous advocates for our clients and their cases. We treat our clients as people, not case files. Learn more about how we can help you pursue compensation for your injuries and damages. Distinguishing blunt force trauma and penetrating injuries. In the realm of motorcycle accidents, internal injuries typically manifest in two primary forms: blunt force trauma and penetrating injuries. Blunt force trauma entails the body absorbing force from an external object, often resulting in ruptured organs, broken bones, and internal bleeding even without breaking the skin. Conversely, penetrating injuries breach the skin, directly impacting internal tissues and organs, leading to lacerations, significant blood loss, and profound organ damage. Although the physical mechanics of blunt force trauma and penetrating injuries may be different, both can result in catastrophic or even fatal injuries in a motorcycle accident in Denver. Organ damage in a motorcycle accident. Motorcyclists face heightened risks of organ damage during crashes, primarily stemming from blunt force impacts or crushing injuries. Vital organs such as the kidneys, liver, spleen, and bowels are particularly susceptible to trauma, with potential consequences including rupture, failure, or extensive damage. Additionally, the heart and lungs are not immune to injury, further underscoring the critical need for immediate medical evaluation following a motorcycle accident. Common signs and symptoms of internal organ damage include weakness and fatigue, confusion, shallow breathing, loss of appetite, fever, abdominal pain. If you experience any of these symptoms after a motorcycle accident, seek emergency medical attention. The peril of internal bleeding. One of the gravest dangers resulting from motorcycle crashes is internal bleeding, wherein damaged blood vessels hemorrhage within the body. Unlike external bleeding, internal bleeding presents unique challenges as blood accumulates internally, often without visible signs. Symptoms such as abdominal pain, clammy skin, and loss of consciousness warrant urgent medical attention, as untreated internal bleeding can rapidly escalate into a life-threatening emergency. Fractured ribs and lung perforation. Impacts to the chest or torso region can lead to fractured ribs, with jagged edges posing a risk of puncturing the lungs and other broken bones. A punctured lung not only impairs breathing but also carries the potential for collapse, necessitating immediate medical intervention to prevent dire consequences. Recognizing the signs of rib fractures and lung injuries is crucial for prompt diagnosis and treatment following a motorcycle accident. Unseen wounds. Recognizing delayed injuries. Beyond visible injuries, motorcycle accidents can also inflict invisible harm with delayed onset symptoms. Traumatic brain injuries, muscle sprains, ligament tears, and emotional trauma such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, may not immediately manifest, masking the true extent of injury. Given the potential for delayed complications, seeking medical evaluation post-accident is imperative to mitigate long-term consequences. Conclusion: prioritizing immediate care. In light of the inherent risks associated with motorcycle accidents, prioritizing immediate medical care is paramount for safeguarding one's health and well-being. Whether evident or latent, internal injuries demand timely assessment and treatment to prevent exacerbation and ensure optimal recovery. If you or a loved one has sustained internal injuries in a motorcycle accident, don't hesitate to consult with a seasoned attorney to explore your legal options and pursue rightful compensation. At Front Range Injury Attorneys, we offer complimentary case reviews to assist you in navigating the path to justice.